Hi everyone, today I have a luxury shoe unboxing for you. Unfortunately, it's not the video that I wanted to film. I am actually going to be returning these shoes because I'm just not 100% satisfied with them. But I thought I'd show you anyway, just so you can see my taste in fashion, and maybe if you're interested in them you can pick them up as well. I've already unboxed the shoes so I could check the size and all that. So I bought a pair of cream sand coloured summer sandals from the brand called GAIA. It's a very famous brand for their wooden basket bags. I'll put an image of it on the screen, but I'm sure you will recognize it as it was pictured on loads of influencers before. So I thought I'd try the brand out. Their pieces are quite artistic, like they're not the normal shoes that you will see. They're more like an art piece, which is what I really like, and they do have loads of summer sandals. So I wanted to try out the brand, but I was unfortunately disappointed with this purchase. Let's open up the box and have a look. So obviously you have your usual dust bag with every shoe purchase. Here are the shoes. I absolutely love the heel on the shoes. That is what drew my attention to the shoe in the first place. The heel is just so fabulous, and it's quite a statement piece as well. This is like their branding basically for their footwear, and this kind of arty heel, and they also have other wooden heels as well. That's what they're known for. So these are obviously strappy sandals in a creamy sand colour. The shoes are super sexy as well. They have this long strap that you tie around the ankle. So I'll show you close up what they look like. I just can't get over the heel. I'm so disappointed that I can't keep these shoes. The heel is just amazing. See if they still have the labels and stuff on them, because I won't be keeping them. So they have all this crisscross detailing. Your big toe goes into this part right here on the sandal, so it's a very sexy, very evening sandal. I was very attracted to the sandals. I bought a size 5, which is a size bigger than my normal size, which they advise on the website. So the size is actually okay. I was happy enough with the size when I tried them on, but while I was trying them on, I just noticed that this suede strap was actually different between the right foot and the left foot. So I'm not going to unravel the second shoe. Hopefully you'll be able to see clearly on camera what the issue is. I don't know if that's fully coming up on camera there. The left foot here, that is slightly darker in colour. I think you can notice it if I hold it up a little bit. This one here is darker than this one. But I think that the shoes were obviously mismatched in the box. So they're in this kind of suede material, the laces and the toe box. And basically whatever suede material was made in this shoe, this is not the pair for this shoe. So obviously with the two different colour tones there, I can't wear these shoes. And so I'm quite disappointed with the shoes because of that reason. Obviously I still really like the shoe, and unfortunately they do not have any more size 5s left. So I am going to miss out on this unless somebody else returns, because they will have the other coloured shoe, which I'm not very hopeful for. I am actually very picky. and I notice these kind of things. Like if I was to keep these shoes, this would just constantly annoy me, so I just can't, because now that I've noticed it, I just can't go back from that. So unfortunately they have to go back to the shop. It's not the shoe unboxing that I wanted to do with you today, but what can you do? I'll put in some more pictures as well so you can see the colour difference, because I'm not confident that it's coming up on camera. I am still on the hunt for the perfect summer sandal, so if you want to give me any recommendations, I would love that. So definitely leave a comment in the description box and give me a recommendation if you have found the perfect nude summer sandal yourself and you can recommend something. If you enjoyed this video, do give the video a big thumbs up, and if you enjoy luxury fashion, do consider subscribing to my channel. I do luxury fashion videos every single week, so if you enjoy that type of content, do subscribe. I'd love to have you back again. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.